Ready to extend the life of your tillage parts? The answer is CADEN Edge from Agrisolutions. CADEN Edge is the only extended life solution of its kind. The difference? A uniquely formulated tungsten carbide blend is infused into the weld matrix and applied to the wear surfaces of your tillage parts, creating an impact-resistant metallurgically bonded robotic weld that's consistent and accurate, resulting in extreme wear resistance. CADEN Edge sweeps will save you time and money, lasting at least 2 times longer than a standard uncoated sweep. You'll extend your sweep life, maintaining the intended factory shape longer with greater performance, all while maximizing your seedbed preparation. Focus on yields, not maintenance. Improve your bottom line with CADEN Edge from the market leader in wearable parts, Agrisolutions. Contact your dealer today.